How to invite friends in Ludo King. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you want to invite friends in Ludo King so that you can play together, first of all launch open the Ludo King game on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go to the top left and tap on the gear button. This will open up settings menu. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go to the bottom and tap on the invite button. Now, you can go ahead and send the invitation link to your friend via WhatsApp, or simply tap it on the share button and choosing any social messaging apps, email or SMS app, select a contact and share the link with them. Once they accept the link and joins into the game, you'll be able to earn rewards and be friends. So that's how you easily invite friends in Ludo King. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.